Wikas Printing and Packaging is a part of Sakal Media Group, one of the most leading media companies in India.
We expect Komori G40 to have a faster turnaround time.
We are very happy for negotiating with them. This is the first experience with the Komori.
The training was good.
Printing and packaging has got a tremendous future and potential.
I am Satish Gaikwad. I am working as a Chief Operating Officer at Wikas Printing and Private Limited. I oversee all the business operation of the Wikas and planning and execution of business strategies.
Myself, Yashwanta Pathak, working as a CFO since last 25 to 30 years. And I am taking care of finance, taxation, costing, and that's all.
I am Jaideep Mane. I am a director for Wikas Printing and Packaging. I look after all administration and in general day-to-day issues. Wikas Printing and Packaging is a part of Sakal Media Group, one of the most leading media companies in India. We were into commercial printing since 1989. We got into packaging in 2017, and in 2024 we got into paper cups manufacturing.
Being the part of Sakal Media Group, we take a leverage of technology and other factors, processing and other developments. So we have a leverage for these new product developments, and we are entering into international market also.
As we are already into packaging from last 2017, we have another printing machine which is almost occupied with the 24/7 occupied. So we wanted to go with the next printing machine, and we thought of Komori for the advancement Komori has. It has faster make release and proofreading and all other advanced features which will make our team efficiency will improve. We expect Komori G40 to have a faster turnaround time, diversified substrate, diversified finishing, and automation, and improve our productivity. This is what we are looking into Komori G40 press. I would say that it's quick job changer, wide variety of substrate we can print on, automation that has stood out to Komori G40. The stood out features of the Komori G40 is it is user friendly. It has more advanced automation. It is friendly to the operators, friendly to training, higher speeds and wide variety of substrate and the automation. This is what stood out from the Komori.
So with Komori we had a fantastic experience, right from pre-installation, post-installation, planning, training, and actually, frankly speaking, we had finalized some other printing machine, but for the first time the Komori India guys came, and within 15-20 minutes we changed our decision. Their approach and the negotiations and financial closure was so smooth, so we couldn't reject the offer of Komori.
We had a good experience. Initial discussion was started on Google Meet. So after that Google Meet, the Komori team has came in Pune with our chairman's house, and then we had a negotiation and technical details they have explained in very well manner, and plus offer, whatever they are given, offer the discount, that was also attractive, and we were very happy for negotiating with them. This is the first experience with the Komori. We have taken this first machinery for Komori in our Nashik unit.
After finalization of this commercial decision, Komori team India has visited, the pre-installation engineers visited, and then they explained what are the foundations need to be done. They are designing, everything was smooth, and then we started the work just 20 days back, and within 20 days installation was done. Apart from the quality, cost and delivery, now market demands higher volumes, better efficiency, wastage reduction. These are the key features to sustain the market, and definitely we are hoping that Komori installation will help us to improve our efficiency, reduction of wastage and the cost saving, which will help us to be competitive in the market and grow ourselves with our whatever our plans.
Yes, printing and packaging has got a tremendous future and potential. The only thing we have to focus on, especially in India, is we have to focus on research and development and innovations, which can give us a good global business.